Installation space requirements. Installation environment requirements. After unpacking, check whether accessories are complete. Make sure the product is installed horizontally. Mark the positioning holes. Drill holes and insert expansion screws. Use M6 screws to fix. Making ground wire. Ensure that batteries and PCS are effectively grounded. Remove the waterproof cover and install the BMS and CT signal cables. Pay attention to the CT installation direction. Wiring harness of battery and PV terminals. Forward module installation and fixing. Add all PVS in sequence. Grade and EPS terminal fabrication. PCS installation complete. Please check carefully before starting turn on the switch. Press and hold for 3 seconds. Turn on PV switch. After the product is turned on, the app can be connected and set up.